another mukbang. Hey y'all, do your bang, do your bang, do your bang, mukbang. What, mukbang? What's good, y'all? So look what we got today. These was on TikTok. I did this one for the thumbnail, so I opened it already. But yeah, these was on TikTok, y'all. So I said, let me try. Well, I know I could make it. It's so simple and easy, but I said, let me give it a try to taste it. I don't even know what they call. I'm gonna call them bombers. I'm so hungry, y'all. Okay. This that same sauce from when I had the Mexican taco tortillas, enchiladas. Yum. Okay, that's fine. It tastes like a big cheesesteak. And the biscuit. Biscuit. Okay. Let me taste it without the sauce. Okay, y'all. Let's talk about this hair. As y'all can see, I took my braids down. But I'm going back and forth trying to do my hair. Well, take down my hair, take down his hair, do his hair, then come back to my hair. You know, the motherhood, you know. But see, what I think I'm gonna do is it's so good, yeah. Okay, what I think I'm gonna do is do his hair so he can come on camera with me and I want to see you. And I'm gonna go to the salon and get mine straightened out. I'm a braid person, y'all. And I want to get some more braid. Well, do need some more braid. See what you. It's not a big cheese pour. It's so good. The biscuit. And the biscuit taste is still there. And so good. I hear they're stuffing like the meat, the ground beef, onions, bell pepper. I hear some of the stuffing still left, so. Excuse me. Let me see what I'm gonna do with that. I started to do some stuffed bell peppers on the side. That would have been good. I should have did that. Some stuffed bell peppers just on the side here. But I think I'm gonna make some spaghetti with it. I might do the stuffed bell peppers. I don't know. We'll see. What do stuffed bell peppers go with besides rice? I guess I could do this for the rice with stuffed bell peppers on the side. I just thought of that real quick, cause yeah. I was hungry, y'all. Y'all fat, y'all tasted it. Y'all gotta try W too. Y'all want my cash out? This is good. Yeah, this one popped open on me. That's so good, y'all. I wonder would Juice like it. He probably like his. The way his daddy had his. Which was only meat and cheese. This one could have had some more meat in there. That's why I said that bread down right there. I ain't got no meat in there. I need the meat. Give me the meat. No pun intended. Y'all comment down below if y'all want to see how it is. But I probably know. I seen it on Facebook. But after eating this for a while, it do get spicy. I do. That's good. It just gave me an idea too. The next time I make this, I can do bacon and eggs in there for breakfast. It's the biscuit. Put some bacon in, or even sausage and egg. Ooh. And my dip is supposed to be jelly. I'm lit. My brain working, y'all. It's working. I need to write that down for I forget. Ooh. I'm lit. I'm so happy I just thought about that, yeah. Yep. Ooh, excuse me. Now I'm coming on my own. Yeah. My own. But when I use somebody else's idea, I do be tagging them, or I do be saying where I saw it. Now, this one, she used steak. I used ground beef. But I seen it on Facebook. I don't know who originally posted it. You know how Facebook is. It's share. So I don't know. Juice in there having a good time. I ain't tripping, y'all. See how I'm bothered I am. That's my baby. He loud, he loud. I'm sure y'all can still hear him. I hope. I wonder what he's doing though. I know he ain't over his good, but what is he doing? I'm gonna say this last one for Juice, y'all. See if he liked it. This was good. It was really good, y'all. I don't like a lot of bread, so that's why I took some of that out, but it's good. Yeah, you can. Say this one for my baby and see if you like it. Like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Share my video with everybody that mama. Let them know how I'm coming on my channel. How you gonna get some juice disturbances, some home cooking meals, some restaurant meals, some vlogs, some content. Just let them know, you know what I'm saying? Let them know. Just let them know. It's this girl. She got a YouTube channel. She told me to tell y'all go check her out. You know what I'm saying? That's all you gotta do. Or when you get around one of your friends, go on their phone. Say, let me see your phone. Go on YouTube and click subscribe for me. That's what I do. I ain't shooting. Y'all my friends and family, right? Okay. Let me see that phone. Here you go. But anyway, peace, y'all. Peace. I'm out. I'm finna go. What I'm finna do? Oh.